Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to switch between multiple Hay Day accounts on your mobile device. Whether you want to manage farms for family members or just play with different accounts, this tutorial will help you out do it without any hassle. First, open up Hay Day on your device like you normally do and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on the loop icon right in front of Connected, and this will take you to the Switch ID page where you can go ahead and switch between multiple accounts. Select a different account that is listed on the next page, and once you do that, you will be able to switch accounts on Hay Day. Repeat these steps to switch back or to any other accounts you own. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.